In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email list on WordPress.com, designed especially for beginners seeking a simple WordPress tutorial. Let's get into it and learn how to take advantage of WordPress's built-in features to grow your email list effortlessly. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress.com account and head over to your site's dashboard. The dashboard is your command center, where you'll find various settings and tools for managing your site effectively. Once you're there, look for a tab or section labeled Jetpack. Jetpack is a powerful plugin that offers a suite of tools, including site security, performance optimization, and, notably for today, list building features. Now that you've clicked on Jetpack, the next step is to navigate to the newsletter section. This option allows you to create and manage subscriptions, which is crucial for building and maintaining your email list. When you're in the newsletter settings, you'll want to ensure that your subscription overlay feature is turned on for your homepage. This creates a visible prompt for visitors, encouraging them to subscribe to updates directly from your homepage. Next, add the subscribe block at the end of each post. Why is this important, you ask? Well, it's because it places a subscription option right where your engaged audience is, the readers who have just finished enjoying your content. This makes it easy for them to sign up and ensures your list continues to grow organically with individuals who are genuinely interested in what you're sharing. After setting this up, consider adding a subscribe block to your site's main navigation. This is such a simple step, yet it can't be overstated how effective it is. By placing it prominently in your navigation, you make it even easier for visitors to find how to subscribe without having to search. Now let's move on to another tip. Enabling a subscription pop-up for commenters. This feature prompts individuals who are already interacting with your content to subscribe. After all, these commenters have shown a vested interest in your posts. Offering the option to subscribe can integrate seamlessly into their experience on your site, further broadening your reach. Finally, and very importantly, ensure that all of your settings are saved. You'll want to look for a Save Settings button within the interface and click on it. This step solidifies all the hard work you've done and ensures your configurations are live on the site. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've laid a solid foundation for building an effective email list on WordPress.com. Remember, consistently engaging with your email subscribers is key. Continue to produce quality content and foster a community where people eagerly anticipate what you'll share next. Thank you for watching, and happy listening.